Hello, hi everyone. My name is Cara and I'm from Pure Home Body, and I am here at the EveryWoman Expo with my range of healthy home and body products that are designed to swap out your everyday home and body basics. So we have a line of home basics that include a laundry liquid, dishwashing liquid, disinfectant, lime descaler, and our top seller, which is our multi-purpose spray. This one here is designed to swap out 6 different products in your home and replace your chemical bad boys in your home with good, healthy alternatives. Very easy to use. We also do a line of home body basics, should I say, including a hand wash, body wash, which is a fabulous little addition to every lady's bathroom, especially since you're coming to the EveryWoman Expo. So the range is based on research that I conducted after I became a pharmacist into the home environment and how your products can impact your overall health and well-being. So I am out here to debunk the myth that eco-friendly means health-friendly and give you a healthier alternative solution to your home and body needs. So if you want to come down and try all this range, please do so. I'm here at the EveryWoman Expo. If you can't get here, go to my website, www.purehomebody.com.au. Thanks.